I I'm very happy, right? I'm absolutely happy. I take this opportunity to really thank. The first person to thank is Zubin, Dr. Shiva, and all the people involved with Genius Trainers, who are instrumental in creating a platform and making the dream come true for a lot of aspiring authors. Particularly, dream come true in helping them publish their book. Right, a lot of people would have tried many things. They would have been to publishing house, or they would have did all the things that is under their control to get their book published. But it was absolutely a fairy tale. Right now, you start on Monday, write the book, follow the guidelines, follow the process, watch the videos sent by Zubin, look into right. Only thing that as a person you need to do is just be committed to your work. And once you are committed, nothing like it. Things goes on absolutely fine. After you do that, Saturday, you see like your book is going to be published. Saturday evening, I was absolutely amazed. I saw my name in Amazon, right, Amazon.in. I was thrilled. I did not have anything that I did not know how to react actually, right. I was not in a position to even tell my wife, right, that my book was published. And even before really understanding the last steps that was involved, I just went ahead and I informed everyone, all people in my group, my friends, family members, my colleagues, and people were amazed. They said, "Oh, great!" Right? And as I was reading, one of the persons whose life was changed due to book, and thanks Zubin for constantly, consistently pushing people in writing the book and constantly motivating. The biggest part that I really should be telling at this moment is the support, right? That moral support that was provided by Zubin, Dr. Shiva. I was sending out some clarifications late in the night, 12 o'clock, 12 midnight, 12:30 midnight. Believe me, I got the reply. And I was amazed, like, do these people sleep or not actually? Fantastic, amazing, right? Nothing, no really. Hats off to you both, and keep on doing a fantastic job in keeping on providing platform. And 17 reviews, review 1, review 2, review 3, it went on fine, 17 reviews. Amazon.com, couple of more reviews. Felt good. Rather, the beauty is, in our family, we went ahead, and people who read in my family, in my wife's side, their family, we had one Zoom call where people shared their experience and how did this book really help them in their life. And I was thrilled. I was thrilled that it is helping out people. What more I want as a person, right? Because as a profession, by my profession, I'm a trainer. I help people. I was absolutely thrilled when people said that this is helping. Right, so I leave me off. I'll be keeping on speaking, and I'll be keeping on speaking. But hopefully, there is no word in the world that can replace the action, that can replace the support, the love that's been shown by Zubin in putting down the book. So my book is called Re-Engineer Your Thoughts, and many of those things are out of my experience, where the way I had re-engineered my thoughts in different phases of my life to really come to term with reality. So I'm amazed. I'm really thrilled. I thank Zubin and team. Keep on doing a fantastic job. Keep on helping out people. Let blessings of all the people be with you, and keep on doing this wonderful support. Keep on doing the wonderful support. Let your journey of inspiring, aspiring writer to publish their book keeps on continuing in. I wish all the best to everyone. All the best to my friends, particularly in this group, who are helping each other as if we have been knowing for years together. Such was the bonding that got created, and again for this particular collaboration, this particular emotional bonding, I again will be saluting Zubin and team. Keep up the good work, sir. Have a great time, good time. Thank you very much.